Alright guys, so I've gotten these chargers from Dollar Tree, and this is the pattern that I want on the wall. Before I go too far into this, let me let you see what these actually look like. These are chargers, rectangular chargers that you can get from Dollar Tree. And I have a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 that I'm going to be using for this project. For this particular pattern, you can design them any way you want to, but I would recommend getting 2 foam boards to put under here so that you can actually cover the back of the whole complete pattern, and then trace them out. So I've already traced them out, as you can see. So I'm going to remove all of the chargers, and I'm going to cut out my pattern. These little plastic chargers are really heavy, so 12 of them mounted to one foam board is not going to be enough. Alright guys, I just finished cutting out my foam board with the Exacto knife, and I've got the black piece on top and the white piece on the bottom, and I'm going to be holding it together with this E6800. It's supposed to give 2-time extra hold, and we kind of need that because this piece of art is heavy. So let's get back to it. Part of the project, I'm simply just taking my tacky glue, and it seems to do better for me when it comes to the crushed glass, and I'm kind of just spraying it on there pretty evenly, and then I'm just pouring the crushed glass on top. So I've got 2 colors here. I've got the rose gold crushed glass that I have left over from my other project, and I have the clear crushed glass. And basically I'm going to let this dry for a few hours, and I'm going to go over it with some Mod Podge because it's a little thinner and it'll help seal it in. And I will basically let you guys see what it looks like after it dries overnight, because this is a heavy, I would say this weighs probably about 5 to 7 pounds, if not more. And I would definitely hang it up for you guys to see in advance, but I don't know where I want to put it. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Everything's been sealed, all the crushed glass has dried, and I'm going to let my husband put this up in the room when we finish painting the walls. And this one is heavy, so we will be needing some of the screws that have anchors. So I'm not going to give any guidance on how to put this up if you do this project, because I don't want to be responsible for anyone putting anything up and it falling on them. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.